pagi semua, ku nantikan dirimu di depan kelasmu, menantikan kami. Guruku tersayang, guru tercinta, tanpamu apa jadinya aku? Tak bisa baca tulis.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Suhadi, peserta PPG 2015 02 30 777, nomor peserta UKIN 202 15 200 200. Saya peserta PPG LPTK Universitas Muhammadiyah Profesor Dr. Hamka tahun 2020. Terima kasih. Ngajar materinya greeting card. Ya, ini pengajar saya. Kemudian di buku-buku dan nanti ada sedikit praktek membuat greeting card dari jumlahnya udah.
Ini berapa?
Berapa? 20-an sesuai jumlah siswa, dan nanti anak juga sudah minta membawa pensil warna dan gunting. Saja kan Bu ya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. How are you today? Fine. Okay. Are you ready to study now? Ready. Okay. Before we study today, I will give you yell. What is yell in English? Yell in English. Okay, saya akan berikan yell untuk memupuk semangat ya. Okay? Yell-nya gini. If I say semangat pagi, you answer semangat pagi, semangat pagi. Bisa? Bisa? Oke. Semangat pagi, semangat pagi. Masih lemas. Lagi, yang semangat. Yo. Semangat pagi, semangat pagi. Kok jadi saya yang semangat ya? It's okay. Yeah. And then before study, I will check your class. Thank you for you clean your class now. I think it's so clean. Yeah. And before study, please stand up to Indonesia Raya. Stand up, please. Hiduplah Indonesia Raya, Indonesia tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu ibuku. Indonesia kebangsaan then before starting now, please someone needs to pray. Before study, let's pray. Pray begin. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's study now. Are you ready? Ready. Okay. Before we start, I will check your study list today. Let's Hel, Raisha, Reika, Rizky Riza, Sylvia, and then Zidan. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for your coming on our meeting today, and you must keep your report to always meeting on our class. The study. What we studied on the last weeks? What we studied on last week? Did you remember what we studied on last week? Okay, please check your book. What we studied on last week? Before we start now, I will present to you one videos to bridging our material today. Yeah, please see and analyze what do your opinion or what do you think about this video relating our material today. Okay? That's video, and now what do you think or what relating that video with our material today? What relating our video with the material today? What is studying now according to this video? What? Greeting. Greeting. Okay, greeting. Anything else? Greeting. Anything else? Greeting or greeting card. Yeah, good. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So today we will study about greeting card. Okay. Do you know greeting card? Okay, thank you. And then to deepen your understanding about greeting card, I will give you free test. Please fill in, and I give you 2 minutes to you fill in the free test. We study about what else? Greeting card. Okay. We studied about greeting card. Why? We must study about greeting card because on daily or our life we find the certain moment in our life. For example, holiday, anything else, or your parent or your brother's wedding, and anything else. Jadi kenapa kita perlu mempelajari tentang greeting card ini? Karena pasti suatu saat kita akan menemukan momen tertentu atau satu momen istimewa dalam kehidupan kita. Ya, oke. Okay, let's check our material. For the first is tujuan pembelajaran or the purpose of study. Greeting card. Peserta didik dapat menemukan struktur teks interaksi personal tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberikan ucapan selamat. The second is peserta didik dapat membedakan macam-macam greeting card. Jadi kita bisa membedakan macam-macam greeting card itu untuk apa aja. Kemudian peserta didik dapat menuliskan teks interaksi interpersonal yang melibatkan tindakan memberikan ucapan selamat. Ini nanti sekalian mencoba membuat, dan yang terakhir adalah the last is membuat kartu ucapan. Peserta didik dapat membuat kartu ucapan teks interaksi interpersonal tulis yang melibatkan tindakan. Jadi nanti itu kita akan membuat sebuah greeting card by your creation. Oke? Jadi seperti itu. Ini tujuan. Oke, let's. Okay, let's check the picture and answer the question. Okay, please look the picture. What is Happy Mother's Day? Yeah, so it is greeting card for a special day, that is Mother's Day. Okay. Okay, let's answer. What is picture about? What is picture about? Gambar apa tadi? Greeting? Kartu ucapan. Okay, about Mother's Day. What is picture about? That is about greeting cards. Yeah. When usually did you buy it? When usually did you buy it? Kapan biasanya kita menemukan kartu ucapan atau mendapatkan kartu ucapan? On special day, ya, on special day, on certain moment. Jadi kita biasa mendapatkan kartu ucapan di hari-hari spesial atau di momen-momen khusus, ya. Okay, good. And can you tell kind of it? Ada macam-macamnya, yang tahu? Kind of greeting card. For example, that is Mother's Day, and else? Or Hari Kemerdekaan, Independence Day, any else? Ulang tahun, good, birthday, ya, and any else, ya, masih banyak yang lainnya. And then next, okay, this is the definition before. Okay, the definition. Greeting card is a card of text containing certain expression sent to someone, people in certain moment. Jadi greeting card ini sebuah isi yang berupa ungkapan khusus, ungkapan tertentu yang diberikan atau dikirim ke seseorang pada certain moment, pada kesempatan tertentu atau pada kesempatan atau momen khusus juga. Itu seperti tadi, for example, birthday, holiday, and anything else. Ya. And then next, social function. This is fungsi sosial or social function. Greeting card give or send to someone to congratulate or to wish or to show sympathy for someone. Jadi greeting card ini diberikan untuk kepada seseorang biasanya untuk memberikan harapan, kemudian atau menunjukkan ucapan selamat, atau menunjukkan simpati, misalnya get well soon and anything else, for example like that. Okay, yeah. And then the next. Okay, generic structure of greeting card. This is the first is receiver. Receiver is itu bahasa penerima. For example, Henny. This is general structure-nya. Receiver, for example, Henny. And then body itu isinya. This one. Ya, ucapannya. Biasanya kutipan kata-kata mutiara atau ungkapan-ungkapan seperti tadi, happy birthday, anything else, for example. Ya. And then the sender. The sender is pengirim, ya, pengirim. Jadi ini cukup ini aja. Jadi ada receiver, ada body and center. Itu yang nggak boleh, yang harus ada dalam sebuah generic structure of building part. Ya, seperti itu. And then this is language picture. Language picture is ciri-ciri kebahasaannya. Biasanya ditandai by expression I wish you happy, for example, happy birthday, happy Eid Mubarak, happy fasting month, and anything else. Kemudian congratulations on or congratulations for, misalnya congratulations for Indonesian Thomas team. Ya, seperti itu, like that. Okay? And then best wish for you. Kemudian I hope you get better soon. For example, your brother or your sister get sick, and you can give for greeting card. You can write, I hope you get better soon. So, okay. This one, kind of greeting card. Ini macam-macam greeting card. For example, graduation card. For example, your friend or your brother or your sister graduate from their school, and you give her or give him greeting card about graduation card. And then birthday card, yeah, like that video. Achievement card. Apabila seseorang get achievement or prestasi, or your friend get bronze or gold medal on Olympiad, for example, you can get their achievement card. Holiday card, yeah, holiday card, for example, Idul Fitri, Natal, and anything else. And then get well card, yang tadi misalkan kamu sakit, kamu kirimin kartu ucapan. Tadi ucapan segera lekas sembuh dan seterusnya. And then mother or father day card. Oke. Ya, seperti itu. Selain ini ada lagi anything else? For example, teacher day. Ya, teacher days on anything else. It's some more, right? Okay. And then this one, that's our ratio. Before we continue, any question about our lecture today? Any question? No? It's clear for you? Clear? Did you understand? Okay, good. If you understand and if you want a question for me, I will give you exercise or practicing to make one greeting card by your creation. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, you prepare your pencil, color pencil, okay, sizer and glue. Sudah disiapkan ya? Pensil, kemudian pensil warna atau spidol, gunting dan sesuai ini aja. Bagi-bagi, boleh yang gede, boleh yang kecil, terserah. Tentu warnanya. Oke, ada yang mau gede, ada yang kecil, silakan. I give you 15 minutes. Yeah, I give you 15 minutes to make your greeting card by your own creation or by your creativity. Silakan, saya kasih waktu 15 menit untuk membuat kartu ucapan ya, dengan kreativitas kamu sendiri. Oke? Enough? 15 minutes. 15 minutes enough? Enough. Okay, please. 15 minutes and now go. Okay, good. Nice. What do you mean? Okay, okay. Okay, right. Okay, the time is 5 minutes again. Waktunya 5 menit lagi. Have you done? Yes, okay, thank you. Okay. If you have done, please collect your job and you can put it on our walls, on our wall magazine, please. On this one. Ya. Oke. Silakan. Yang sudah selesai, don't forget to give your name and your class. Okay, this one or this one on our magazines wall. Okay, thank you. Okay. So little. That's so big. Okay. Okay, any else? Yang lain? Ya. Oke, kalau udah lanjutin ya. Yang belum tolong segera. You have done your job, and to difference our measure today, I will check your difference understanding what's our measure today. I will give you evaluation. This will end on 5 minutes. I think it's enough for you. 5 minutes to fill in our evaluation. Can I give you 5 minutes to finish? That's our evaluation. To fill in our evaluation. Don't forget to give your name and your class. Okay, 5 minutes. Have you done? No. Okay, 5 minutes enough. Please collect your job. Yeah. Please collect your job. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Listen. Thank you. Yep. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Yep. Thank you. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. We have finished our visual today, and before we closing our class, I want you to make a summary about our visual. Okay. So, what we started now, or what we started today? We started about greeting card. Okay, we started about greeting card. For example, there are kind of greeting card. Can you match it? Ada yang bisa nyebutin apa macam-macam greeting card? Kartu apa? Holiday and birthday, get well, and anything else. Ya, banyak. Some more. Ya. And then, what the structure of greeting card? Apa aja tadi? Bagian-bagiannya, the word is sender. Don't forget. Sender or receiver? Sender or receiver? Receiver. The word is receiver. What? Nerima. The second is body. Okay, good. The second is body or isi. Itu bahasa ya. Isinya atau kata ucapannya. And then the last is receiver. Sender. Yeah, don't forget. The word is receiver, body, and sender. The language feature-nya, ciri-ciri kebahasaan, the language feature atau ciri-ciri kebahasanya misalnya tadi apa? I wish, I hope, any else? Apa lagi? Happy, ya? Okay, yeah, right. Okay, and for the last one, I give reflection to our class today. For the first, please answer. In this chapter, we learn about. Belajar apa kita bab ini? Greeting cards. Okay, we started about greeting cards. The second, the part that enjoy the most word. The part that I enjoy the most word. Bagian yang kamu sukai dari paragraf ini apa? Tadi dalam pelajaran ini apa yang kamu sukai? Make a greeting card. Practice to make a greeting card. Mempraktekkan membuat greeting card. Itu bagian yang kamu sukai. Oke. And then the difficulties that I had were, kesulitan apa yang kamu temukan dalam pembelajaran hari ini? Making greeting card too? It's so hard for you? Why? Why is so hard for you? Making greeting card is hard for you.
Sometimes we make it so hard.
Oh, because you does not creative to make a greeting card, a good greeting card. Okay, thank you. And what I have to do, be better. Apa yang mesti kita lakukan biar lebih bagus hasilnya? What? Okay, improving your creativity. Ya, nanti di rumah on your home you can try to make the better. Ya, nanti di rumah bisa coba buat yang lebih bagus sampai orang yang menerima terkesan seolah ini boleh kamu yang bikin gitu. Oh, good. It's better for you if you someone surprises by your greeting card by your own. Itu luar biasa kalau misalnya orang menerima greeting card dari buatan kamu sendiri sampai surprise itu, oh, ini buatan kamu, gitu. Apalagi sampai layak jual bisa, sampai layak jual, ya. Buat dengan kreativitas tinggi sampai layak jual. Okay. As a reference, you can check on YouTube or any else portal ya. Bisa dicek misalnya contoh-contohnya sebagai referensi di YouTube dan sebagainya, itu bisa berkreasi dengan greeting card, bentuk-bentuk greeting card sampai bisa dijual. Ya, that is good. Okay, and then our class and question.
No.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Any question? You any question? It's clear for you? Are you sure? Did you understand? Okay. I hope you all of you understand about our material and can make a better on the next on your home, or you can try to make a good greeting card by your own. I think it is my home, our home for you. Okay, thank you. And before closing our class, please someone needs to pray if you are not ready. Who? You? Okay, thank you.
Okay, before closing our study today, let's pray. The prayer is done.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your coming for a nice meeting today. See you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.